Hello my friends, welcome to Homewood Spirit. I'm Vladimir and this is second part of the video how to make a wooden bowl with wooden spoon. In the first part you could see how I made this wooden spoon, and in this part I will show you how to make this wooden bowl. Before I start, let me please share with you two benefits I can see on wood carving. The first, and for me the most important benefit, is that we can literally invite the nature into our homes. Wood was once alive, and I can feel it that when I surround myself with wood, I feel more reconnected with the nature. And I can feel the warmth from it. These days I think it's really important because we live apart from the nature, and we are surrounded mostly with some concrete and plastic, which for me is not alive. So when I am surrounded with wooden products, I feel more reconnected with nature, and I think about it more and I care more about it. So this is a big benefit for me, and who knows, maybe one day we will go out and we will give something back to the nature and we will plant a tree. Who knows? Okay, so that was the first benefit. Second benefit I can see is that it's a super creative hobby. It's a huge playground of shapes, colors, and different structures. For example, I was making some spoons, so I made this spoon. Somebody called it a kayak spoon on Instagram. I have made this little spoon, probably for ice cream. You already seen in the previous video this spoon. Or you can make wooden hearts. You can make little wooden knives for spread. You can make all different shapes of bowls, for example. It's almost never-ending story with wood. So the second benefit, it's really creative hobby. So now the promised video about how to make a wooden bowl for a soup. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, watch another part of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.